Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to witness the limitless power of nature? These terrifying disasters are not just spectacles, they are warnings. Let's explore the most devastating moments ever captured on camera. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss the next videos. Severe flooding in Cranford, New Jersey, devastates a home as basement walls collapse, leaving behind a trail of destruction. An F5 tornado in Oklahoma produced winds of more than 200 miles per hour, making it the strongest tornado ever.
Here. No, please don't hit that farm. Holy. I am. That's a violent tornado. Oh my God. That's the most violent motion oh my God. It's gonna cross the road right up here. No. Oh no. Oh no. Come on. Be okay. Man. Oh no. There's the lines. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that.
One of the footage captured on camera of the Alaska earthquake that caused property damage to many families. Winds over 195 miles per hour. One of the strongest typhoons in history struck the Philippines, leaving unimaginable destruction in its wake. One of the most impressive lava flows ever recorded in Iceland. Another footage showing how scary a massive mile-wide tornado is heading for the Oklahoma City metro area. Mine needs it back.
Back up.
And of course, there's got to back up like they always do with me. Can't you just go northeast like you're supposed to?
The car was overturned by a hair's breadth. Terrible disaster, March 11th, 2011. Great East Japan earthquake, Tsunami City, Miyagi Prefecture.
曲がるような状態になっていまして、ガラスが割れている店舗が
よかった。
それから、歩道もですね、2、30センチ。
危ない。我が家はどこか家が流されてます。
¡Hostia! ¿De quién es el coche ese? ¿Está una mujer? ¿Quién está ahí? ¡Joana! Papá, papá, que se baje el coche.
A Wentzville daycare flooded during storms. Landslides forced people to flee for their lives. A super strong wind broke the glass door before it destroyed everything. These natural disasters remind us of the endless power of Mother Nature. We can't control everything, but we can learn from these events to better prepare for the future. What are your thoughts on these disasters? Which one terrified you the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like if you found this video interesting and share it with your friends so they can also witness the power of nature. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos and continue exploring the mysteries and power of the world around us.